Welcome friends, today we discuss another difference unchanged problem sums. Alright, remember there are actually three cases for difference unchanged. Number one is when receiving equal quantities. Okay, QTY, short form quantities. Okay, receive can also mean get or added. Okay, I add equal quantities, can be money, can be marbles, can be fruits. Okay, that's the first case where the difference must still remain the same. Second case, give away equal quantities. Give away equal quantities, short form again. Alright, give away can also mean like donate, alright, or spend. All this means the same thing. Third scenario, age related questions. This is when difference will remain unchanged. Okay, now let's first discuss a quote, alright? Believe you can and you're halfway there. Many students out there, right, those who do not manage to achieve their dreams, number one, they don't believe that they can achieve it. You got to believe in your abilities, alright? Most of us, we are blessed to be in a normal school, mainstream school, and with that, we have equal opportunities with everyone. The amount of time we have is also the same as everyone. And these days, information is everywhere. On the internet, you can find so much information. So you need to believe that you have enough resources, you have enough ability to achieve. And trust me, if you do that, you are already halfway there. The other half will of course depend on your efforts. Alright? So believe you can and you are halfway there. Let's discuss this question. Basket X had 125 fruits and basket Y had 293 fruits at first. After an equal number of fruits were removed from both baskets, this sounds or looks very much like second case here. Look at this top part. Remove means you take away, means you give away. Alright? Means you have reduced in quantities. Okay, that is actually the second case, which should point us to a difference unchanged problem sums. Now let's read that again. After an equal number of fruits were removed from both baskets, basket Y had 3 times as many fruits as basket X. How many fruits were there in basket X in the end? Now, since I know this is a difference unchanged problem, I can find what is the difference at first. You don't even need to draw a BCA table because you just need to find the difference and work with the units in the end. Okay, so before the difference, what happens there? Let's see. 293 minus 125. 168. There's a difference in the number of fruits in both these baskets at first. Alright, now since we know this is difference unchanged, the difference in the after case, the difference will still be unchanged. It will still be the same at 168 fruits. Okay, now what does this represent? How many units does this represent? You see this. Basket Y had 3 times as many fruits as basket X. So basket Y will be 3 units. Basket X will be 1 unit. Alright. And from here, I can find the difference in units, right? That would be 2 units. Okay, so what does this 2 unit represent? It represents 168 fruits. How many fruits were there in basket X in the end? In the end, basket X had 1 unit. So 2 units is equals to 168. I can proceed to find 1 unit. 168 divided by 2, 84 is your answer for the number of fruits in basket X. x 84 fruits. Okay, so important, all right, take note of these three scenarios where it must trigger us that, hey, this is actually a difference unchanged problem. Thank you very much.